Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in a Kia Sedona key fob. First, ensure you have a new CR 2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. You'll find a small slot on the side of your key fob. This is where we'll begin to carefully open it. It's a simple task that takes just a few minutes, and you'll have your key fob working like new again. Now take your small flathead screwdriver or coin and insert it into the slot you located. Gently twist the tool to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as they separate. Work slowly and carefully to avoid damaging the plastic casing or any of the internal electronics. Once open, you'll see the circuit board and the old battery. With the key fob open, observe how the old CR 2032 battery is positioned. It's important to note the positive and negative sides. Carefully use your screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, align the two halves of your Kia Sedona key fob. Carefully press them together until you hear a distinct click, confirming they are securely fastened. Give it a gentle squeeze around the edges to ensure a tight seal. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.